Hello there techies and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will take a look at how can we get the number of teams and the name of the teams a particular user belongs to using PowerShell. We already have installed Microsoft Teams module, so let's start importing it and get going. We will first import module. Name is Microsoft Teams. Let's connect with the teams. Connect Microsoft team, credential, get credential. Now, after getting a Microsoft team, what we just need to write is get team and specify a user. I'll be mentioning a specific user. This command will return all the teams this Adele is part of. So let's store this into a variable. And then let's iterate through this team. For each team in teams. And let's write the team name. So we will get the display name. Okay, let's hit run. Okay, so we see Adele is part of Digital Initiative Public Relations, Mark 8 Project Team, Retail, Sales and Marketing, US Sales, and Project Secret. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you get all the teams a particular user is member of. I thank you for watching the video.